What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Wednesday, December 21st, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just put my hand in snot. Oh my god. I literally was so sick for like multiple days, and I just now kind of got back to like feeling okay. So I went to the gym. I really need water. There's like nothing in that. That tasted like stale. You know when you drink water and it's like stale water? It makes you want to die. Anyways, I went to the gym. I worked out for half an hour, which is pretty good. I need water so much. That Goodwill bag you see there hanging on my door is full of trash. Oh my god. That's better. Anyways, all I do at the gym is Stairmaster for half an hour on level 5. So I'm done with that. I'm sweaty. I want to take a shower, but I was like, you know what I really want to do? I want to do like a DIY pamper routine because my skin is dry from being sick. Like my nose is all cracked and horrible. I like still feel like there's stuff that I have to break down in my lungs, and just a whole bunch of other reasons that I thought today would be a great day to do a DIY pamper routine. Starting it off right, we're gonna drink a little Pinot Grigio because this is a DIY pamper routine. And when you go to a spa, do they not give you champagne or like white wine or whatever? So DIY, do it yourself. Cheers. Nothing like an $11 bottle of Publix wine. Is that a hive? God damn it. I've been watching on Netflix My Unorthodox Life. I'm a Jew. Did you guys know that? If it changes how you feel about me, then you have some inner reflections to make. Anyways. What is happening there? What was I saying? Oh yeah, I've been watching My Unorthodox Life and it's been making me really want to like step it up. You know what I mean? Step it the fuck up. So, speaking of stepping it the fuck up, I got a package the other day. And you guys already know who it's from. My favorite company in the world. Let me go get it. Dossier babes. I got another perfume. Thought I might share it with you because I don't gatekeep, which is really nice of me because I know about some pretty good things. Things that you want to know about. If you guys don't know who Dossier is a high-end luxury perfume company, but basically they're super affordable and they make dupes of designer perfumes starting at $29. So if you have a perfume that you can't afford, that's your favorite, maybe that perfume is like $300, I bet you that Dossier can recreate it for a fraction of the cost. That's why I love them, because they make luxury living affordable and they make designer perfumes affordable, which is a God-sent gift to humanity, if you ask me. So obviously I'm addicted because I freaking love designer perfumes, but can I afford them? No. Can anyone afford a designer perfume, honestly? Who can afford that? No one. Dossier is probably at this point like the leading perfume brand that can even duplicate these high-end perfumes because they do it so well. I love Dossier so much. You guys can order a perfume through my code AMI10, and if you guys don't like the perfume, you can send it back, no questions asked. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Did they stutter? No. They've been doing this for so long. They've perfected it. Their perfumes are absolutely amazing. I put on all my friends and all my family members onto these perfumes because they are just so worth it. So I got one of my favorite scents. It's the Aromatic Star Anise, and this is inspired off of Dior Savage, which is like, I'm pretty sure it's a cologne, but I don't care because it smells so good. And this is what the perfume looks like. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I think that my favorite part about these perfumes is that they actually write all the notes on the perfume bottle so that you can slowly every day memorize it as you spray yourself into oblivion with these iconic, amazing scents. So this one has like bergamot, pepper, star anise, lavender, nutmeg, geranium, patchouli, amberwood, vetiver. It's spicy, baby. If you're a dude, this is probably the sexiest scent that you could possibly wear. Oh my god. Also, the cap is like, oops, it's magnetic. Isn't this gorgeous? Look how gorgeous these bottles are. At this point, I'm like a freaking mass collector of Dossier. Dossier is absolutely incredible. They really do such a fantastic job. They make it so affordable for everyone to smell their absolute best. So that's why I'm telling you guys about it. Their perfumes start at $29. I have a discount code in the description box, AMI10. Do with that information as you will. But DIY Pamper, I mean, DIY Pamper Dossier. DIY Pamper Dossier. Oh my god, what's happening? Is it the same thing? Yeah, literally yes. Okay, so I was just looking at my little period tracker app, and my period is coming, oopsies, in 3 days. Fingers crossed. So I saw on a TikTok, which already means that it's either, you know, it could very well not be, but I was like, I'm gonna try this. They were like, for like to soothe your vagina, you like bathe in oat milk and a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and it helps to like balance your pH. Also, oat milk I know is really good for your skin, and I was like, I'm like really easily influenced, so I was like, an oat milk bath? That sounds pretty luxe. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I'm gonna let that fill up, and then I'm gonna put like a shit ton of oat milk because I really don't know how much of any of this to put, but we're gonna make it work. And I really didn't know how much oat milk to get, so I just got like as many containers as I could. I got like 6 of these types of oat milk, and I was thinking I would just use all of that because it's not that big of a box. 6 might be really excessive, so I think I'm just gonna go with 4, and I'll save the rest for another DIY bath. And then I have my apple cider vinegar. I just got like a giant bottle of it because I don't know. Okay. Alright. That smells kind of good. Am I gonna be like a little oatmeal cookie just soaking in my little bath? And now, how do I back you up? I can't, okay. My little milky little white, literally looks like I don't even know. And I really feel like I'm just having such a luxurious pamper day. Like, look at me in my like little oat milk bath with my little wine, having my little pamper day. Yeah. I have no idea how long I'm supposed to stay in here for. This is a DIY coochie bath. This is good. This was a good idea. I like doing creative things with you. It is good. I guess I'll just like chill in here for a while, watch some TikToks, let my vahoon really soak it all up, you know what I'm saying? My hands are wet now, which was kind of stupid because now I can't turn off the camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit in here on TikTok for, I guess, until I want to get out. I'm all done with my oatmeal bath and my wine. I am ending this with, this is my fucking favorite ever. This is hand cream, but I don't care. I use this as body lotion, and I will be finishing it on my whole body. It smells freaking absolutely incredible. I love it. This is what I imagine God's butt smells like. It smells so freaking good. Oh my god, I put it everywhere. After a bath or a shower, I always spray this perfume because it smells super yum. It's super expensive, but Dossier actually has a dupe for this, but I love it, so I spray this on my whole body. It's literally, I've had it for so long and I haven't even used that much of it. I'm proud of myself. And then obviously you have to wear something cozy, so I put on my favorite little juicy sweatpants because they're super soft, and I freaking love them, and this way I can be cozy when I sit in my bed for 6 hours watching TikToks. So yeah. After I pick out my favorite fuzzy socks, I drench my feet in this stuff. It's shea butter and it's actually amazing, and I literally put this on before I put socks on and my feet are so soft. Then I just literally throw on like whatever little shirt I want to wear to keep me warm because it is winter, so my apartment gets pretty drafty. I like to be cozy when I cuddle with my dog and I watch Netflix, and then I just brush out my hair because if I don't brush my hair multiple times a day, it literally gets so knotted and horrible, and I just really like to be clean and comfy and cozy when I pamper. Also remember that like when you pamper yourself, you don't have to be going anywhere. Like, it's so important to pamper yourself and still chill at home as much as it is to pamper yourself before you go out. So I like to remind myself that. So I brush my hair and then I use this hair oil. It smells literally delicious. And I just put this on the ends of my hair, like over here and over here, and that's literally it. Now I get to relax and watch Netflix with my dog and watch TikTok until I fall asleep tonight, and I get to just smell good and feel good, and it's all for me, and I'm so happy. So that's it. I love you. Literally, that's it.